Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto guide series. Today, we're tackling how to transfer ETH from Wazirx to Metamask in 2025. If you're looking to move your Ethereum to a more secure wallet like Metamask for better control, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to keep your funds safe. Let's dive in. First, ensure you have the basics set up. You'll need a verified Wazirx account with some ETH in it, and Metamask installed on your device, whether it's as a browser extension or mobile app. If you haven't done that yet, pause here and get it sorted. Step 1. Log into your Wazirx account using your email, phone, or whatever method you set up. Once in, head to the Wallets or Funds section to see your assets. Step 2. Locate Ethereum in your asset list and click on it. Then, find and select the Withdraw option. This will bring up a form where you'll enter the details. Step 3. In the withdrawal form, you'll need your Metamask wallet address. Open Metamask, select your account, and copy the address. It's that long string of letters and numbers. Paste it carefully into the Wazirx form. Step 4. Enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer. Make sure to check the transaction fees and confirm it's on the Ethereum network to avoid any issues. Step 5. If two-factor authentication, 2FA, is enabled on your Wazirx account, you'll get a code. Enter it for added security. Double-check the wallet address and amount before hitting confirm. Step 6. Submit the withdrawal request. Wazirx will process it, and you'll get a confirmation notification. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, open Metamask and refresh to see your ETH. Pro tip: always verify addresses and use hardware wallets for extra security in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.